Harness your portfolio with UTI Equity Savings Fund. Investing in equity market is like climbing a mountain. Exciting, challenging and rewarding. But it also carries risks. Just as a climber relies on a sturdy harness, investors need a strategy to cushion against market drops. UTI Equity Savings Fund acts as that harness, helping you navigate volatility while pursuing growth with confidence. The low unhedged equity allocation in the portfolio reduces risks associated with the market volatility and hence offering you a smart investment opportunity, blending growth stability and tax efficiency. How does the fund work? Equity allocation for growth. The fund dynamically allocates 20 to 40% in net equity with a bias towards large caps and look for stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value, thereby providing the growth opportunity. Arbitrage for a balanced grip. The fund uses arbitrage to maintain gross equity exposure above 65%, ensuring equity taxation. Fixed income allocation for stability. Like the secure foundation of your harness, the fixed income portfolio of the fund focuses on the quality and liquidity of the portfolio. A disciplined model-based allocation. What sets this fund apart is its dynamically managed equity allocations, just like a harness adjusts to your movements. The fund adjusts its equity exposure based on market conditions using a proprietary model-driven strategy to avoid emotional decisions and aim for better risk-adjusted returns. Who should invest in UTI Equity Savings Fund? Investors seeking balance of growth and stability. Retirees wanting steady tax-efficient returns. HNI focusing on post-tax outcomes. New investors exploring multi-asset options. UTI Equity Savings Fund, your partner in growth, stability, and tax efficiency. Get your portfolio this harness. Start investing today. To know more, contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor or call 8655 19940.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.